By the continuance of rain the world is preserved in existence, it is therefore worthy to be called the food of the gods. Rain produces man's wholesome food, and rain itself forms part of his food besides. If rain fails today, the world, even though surrounded by the great seas, will suffer from hunger. If the abundance of wealth imparting rain diminish, the labor of the plough must cease. Rain by its absence ruins men, and by its existence restores them to fortune. If no drop falls from the clouds, not even the green blade of grass will be seen. The very nature of oceans, though vast, would diminish if clouds ceased to take up water and give back rain's gifts. If the heaven dry up, neither yearly festivals nor daily worship will be offered in this world to the celestials. If rain fall not, penance and alms deeds will not dwell within this spacious world. If it be said that the duties of life cannot be discharged by any person without water, so without rain there cannot be the flowing of water.